Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and this is a collaboration. This is Summer 2019 Clean and Decorate with Me collaboration, and is hosted by Clueless Mama D. Drea and also Kristen at Kristen Chaotic Life. You may remember that I did a spring clean with me not too long ago with Drea and Kristen, and this is the one that I did with them. Okay, so now this is my inspiration here, and let's get started. Sit back and relax, and here we go. Now recently went to my local thrift store and I found a couple of things, a couple of items that I really like. And I found this tea set here, 3-piece tea set for $6. So I'll be adding that to my setup. And I found this coffee mug and saucer set, both from World Market, one of my favorite places, and that was only $1.49 for both pieces. And then I actually picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and it was regular $12.99 for 3, $24 plus it added 50% off. So you see $1.50. So those are some of the things that I'll be adding to my setup here. And here is my inspirational piece that I found at Thrifty Find. And this is my setup for my summer counter decor. I just fell in love with this piece here. And the cost was $4 with 70% off. So I really only paid almost less than $1 for it. Along with my inspirational piece, can you also see a theme going on here? For some reason, it always leads me back to birds. I always include birds in my decor. So what do you think? Yeah, I love birds. And I also want to ask you, do you like seeing thrift hauls? And would you like for me to add that to my channel? Well, comment down below and let me know. I don't mind doing thrift hauls and adding it to my channel. I did a couple before, but I wasn't sure if it would be really necessary. So comment below and let me know. Okay, and we're done. I would like to thank Drea and Kristen for putting together this collaboration. And don't forget the playlist to see other wonderful participants, creators for this collaboration. Link down below. That's it, we're done. I hope you enjoy watching me clean and decorate for the summer. And if you enjoy, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and of course, subscribe. See you next time. Thank you, Amores, and come back for more home decor and DIYs.